Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Engineer Cinco from Clnp. Okay, our topic today is area of triangles under plane geometry. But before proceeding guys, kung bago pa lang kayo sa channel namin, paki-support naman po. Kindly like, share, and don't forget to subscribe as well para mas ma-updated pa kayo sa mga incoming videos namin na gagawin related to some knowledge of mathematics. Okay? Our first topic is under area of triangles. Okay? Area of triangles. Okay? So under this topic, area of triangles, our first property will be you have to study the given the base and altitude. Okay. Okay. So based on this condition, if let me write guys a triangle. Okay, right triangle. Now if this is the base and this is the altitude, okay, and this is the hypotenuse. Now our objective is to find the area of the triangle. So our formula on finding the area of this triangle is equal to A area is equal to 1/2 base times the height or altitude. Okay. So this is our equation, standard equation, where A area of triangle. Okay. B so the base. Okay. H so height or altitude. Okay. And C is the hypotenuse. Okay. So this is the basic equation guys on how to solve the area of a triangle. Okay. This is the same also in this kind of configuration. If it is like this type of triangle, right triangle, we can also find the area of a triangle based on this configuration. Okay, this is the base, this is 90 degrees, and this is the height. Okay, so they are the same guys. You can use this equation on how to solve the area of the triangle apart from this right triangle. Okay, so next condition is given two sides and included angle. Okay, given two sides and included angle. Okay. Second condition is two sides and included angle. So if this will be the diagram or triangle, okay, if this is the two sides, A sides and the B sides, and this is the included angle, let me say theta. Okay, this is theta. Now our area, the formula on how to find the area of this triangle given the two sides are included angle, it will be A area is equal to 1/2 A times B times sine theta. Okay, this one, guys, standard equation how to find the area of this kind of triangle. Okay, where E and B are the sides. Okay, where sin or sine is some trigonometric function knowing the angle. Theta is angle. Okay, so angle. You guys, so take note with this two equation on how to find the area of a triangle. If the two sides are given with included angle, then you can use this equation. Okay, and if you encounter some diagram regarding triangle without the included angle, but knowing the dimensions or the two sides, then you can find directly the area of a triangle, which is 1/2 of the product of base times height. Okay, guys, so simple only for how to find the area of triangle. Okay, and our third condition will be solving the area given three sides. Okay, given three sides of a triangle. Okay, three sides. So if this is the case, okay, if this is the triangle like this. Okay, let me see, this is A, B, and C. So knowing three sides, we can find the area of a triangle using Herons formula. Okay, using Herons formula. Area of triangle is equal to square root S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. Okay, so where S, so guys, where S is the semi-perimeter of a triangle. Okay, where S is equal to semi-perimeter. So S is equal to A, the summation of three sides, plus B plus C over 2. Okay, take note, guys, on how to solve the area of a three sides triangle by applying the Herons formula. But in order to find the area, you need to calculate first the semi-perimeter using this equation. Okay, so this is the three condition that I'm sharing to you related to this area of triangle under plane geometry. Okay, guys, I will give you some short example problem on how to find the area of triangle. Okay, hi guys, we're back. As I said earlier, I will give you some example problem regarding this area of triangle given the base and the altitude. Okay, so as you can see here, guys, simple diagram, a right triangle where the altitude of the height of triangle is equal to 6 inches. Okay, and the base is also equal to 10 inches. Now calculate or find the area of the triangle and also the value of the C. Okay, so solution, guys. Okay. Solving for area. Okay. So what is the equation, guys, on how to find the area? As we studied earlier, area of a triangle is equal to 1/2 times product of base times the height. Okay. So substituting, guys, how much the base? As you can see here, 10 inches. Okay. And the height or altitude is 6 inches. Okay. So area will be 6 times 10, equal to 60 divided by 2. So area is equal to 60 divided by 2 is 30. Okay. Square inches. So this is the simple answer regarding the area of this problem triangle. Now the second part, the second requirement is solving for value of C. Okay. How you will find the value of C, guys? As you can see in the diagram. Since it is a right triangle, as we studied before, we can apply using the Pythagorean Theorem, okay? On how to find the hypotenuse of a triangle or the C value, C sides, okay? The standard equation for the Pythagorean is equal to C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared, okay? So C is equal to square root of A squared plus B squared. Okay, so substitute, guys. How much the value of A? A means this one, altitude, 6 inches. Okay, squared plus the value of B, which is base, is 10 inches. Squared is equal to square root of, what is the value, right? 6 squared. 6 into squared is equal to 36. Okay. Plus this one, guys, 10 into squared is 100. So it's equal to, the sum of these two values is 136. So how much the value of C? Okay, guys, let me use the calculator on how to find the square root of 36. Square root of 136 equals 11, okay, 11.66 inches. Okay. So this is the answer for the second requirement. The value of C equal to 11.66 inches. Okay, guys, that's it, guys. A simple problem on how to find the hypotenuse by applying or using the Pythagoras theorem, okay, or Pythagorean theorem. I hope, guys, you understand our example, the basic procedure on how to find the area of a triangle. Okay, so I hope it will be useful to those students who are studying related to the plane geometry subject. Okay, guys, so thank you for watching and have a nice day.